Three-dimensional, 3D, printing, which is also known as additive manufacturing or AM, is a process of joining materials to make parts from 3D model data.
Cheap drones, manufactured in real quick time, have literally clogged the airspace in neighboring Myanmar, giving rebels and resistance forces who are in possession of hundreds of them almost the upper hand in the ongoing battle against the military junta. In the battle-ravaged Southeast Asian nation, that shares a long, porous border with northeastern India, 3D printed drones made by the plethora of rebel groups have given them a big edge in the form of in-house lethal weapons they have been easily able to manufacture on shoestring budgets. This development has raised concerns in neighboring India, where two communities are engaged in a violent ethnic clash for 16 months now in Manipur. Of late, the police in Manipur have confirmed the use of drones in the ongoing fight. Three-dimensional, 3D, printing, which is also known as additive manufacturing or AM, is a process of joining materials to make parts from 3D model data. The 3D printing technology creates the part and material simultaneously, which speeds up production and flexibility. In April, the leaders of the military junta in Myanmar got a rude shock when around 30 kamikaze drones operated by anti-military resistance groups targeted the junta boss's residence, the regime's military headquarters, and a major military airbase in the junta's administrative capital. Anti-regime resistance groups of the Civilian National Unity Government or NUG used 28 improvised kamikaze drones to target Myanmar junta chief Minit Aung Hlaing's residence, his military's headquarters, and a major junta airbase in the regime's administrative capital Naypyidaw. Most of the weaponized drones that can carry bombs are kamikaze drones which gets destroyed on their own after hitting their targets. In a way, they can be called suicide drones. The National Unity Government has an armed unit called the Cloud Team, Cha Chu War, well known for its expertise in drone warfare. In fact, the Cloud Team had claimed responsibility for the April drone attacks in capital Naypyidaw and elsewhere. The easy availability of cheap drones is a matter of concern for violence-racked Manipur that shares a 390 kilometers long border with Myanmar, and it is common knowledge that rebels crisscross the area. Recently, there were a few drone attacks in the state, although drones were earlier reported to have been used for surveillance during the clash. The sighting and use of drones in Manipur have compelled the authorities to put anti-drone systems in place in recent weeks.